Christmas time is here.
Rise close enough to the surface that she knew there was nothing human in her eyes, as she said to Lorcan, "I will never forget, not for one moment, what you did to him that day in Doranel. Your miserable..." And smiled. The both princes enjoyed that memory, that terror and pain. As they paused to...
My fault, my moon.
Oh, you
Turned the spare key today.
fucking dick.
Lines of sight, lines of force. 3 by 3 by 3. Cubicle arrangement.
1 minute later.
Scion isn't. Almost, but not quite. Iman isn't. Koru.
What was that? I was a florist. A florist? You know, flowers and shit. Oh, yeah.
leathery side, and his spider silk reinforced wings glittered like gold in the light of the fires far below. "Fly, Abraxos," she breathed. Abraxos sucked in a great breath.
So in the meantime, Judy was crafting a defense pretty similar to her husband's, which is she was claiming it was Alvin who had killed Lisa Milliken and Janice Chapman. So now they're just turning on each other. Myra and Ian. My thoughts immediately. It's a world. And then they get invested and they're like, fuck that person, they do everything. I hate them. Girl, it's like your love endures.
Here's one for you, Scotty.
Right now, and I am just...
You fucking asshole.
Oh, shit!
Straight for a red light.
Australian Metal Refiners. We'll take your scrap metal and give you a
What
pretty
an
penny.
idiot. Fucking brilliant, mate. Fucking brilliant. What a fucking lagoon.
You bitch! Well said.
Hadouken!
What a bastard.
Little fucking prick!
I'm just a regular bloke with a regular bike. I'm your average dad who enjoys a nice ride. I wear lycra and fluoro when I'm riding at night. I piss everybody off and ignore the red lights. My life, my rights, don't you know who we are? Cable ties on my helmet and I pretend I'm a car. But sometimes that's just not enough to keep a man like me protected. No way, no way. Drivers always tell me to get fucked, and I hope you break your legs, your legs, your legs, your legs. I ride really slow in the middle of the lane while drivers behind me are going insane. I'm a cyclist. He's a cyclist. I'm a cyclist. He's a cyclist. I stop every hour at my favorite cafe while Trevor's behind me singing what a lovely day.
Look at me.
Sprung up. My daughter was sprung up proper as well. But what now my grandson who's sprung up proper, it's true, he's beautiful when he's out.
Manual recording on.
He's usually beautiful at home too, but they get so tired and it's got to go somewhere, you know, all this stress and it's
That's
better at home with,
pair
you know,
of
that they
fucking
can let it off.
shitheads.
Usually head out to Parramatta, James Rees Drive, across the River Road West for a one-car backup.
You fucking retard. Australia. We'll catch up with him just after 6 to see who's winning.
Fuck yourself. Yes, sir.
Fuck me, you stupid.
Thanks, fuckwit.
Oh, look at that. Jeepers.
What they had?
That black ute right behind us.
Oh, was it? Oh, look at the traffic jam. Shit, I'd be doing a Yui.
Bogans, bogans, bogans.
was into computers.
He really could.
He's going. He's going. Oh,
yeah? Fucking, come on, bring it.
Just bring it, bitch!
You went through.
You went through. Yeah. You got it on here too.
Yeah, I know.
I'm sending it into the cops. That was very dangerous.
Very dangerous. She's a fucking mole.
What is it about fucking Ranger drivers? Seriously. You absolute cockwomble.
Wow! Ho, ho, ho! Holy Testicle Tuesday!
Holy Testicle Tuesday!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Where do you want to go? Go!
A sunny day, westerly winds 15 to 20 kilometres an hour, tops of 20 degrees, mostly sunny tomorrow, sunny for Thursday.
Highly illegal move, my friend.
As much as we do the planet, you'll find the go-to Dentagenie range.
Well done, mate. Well done.
Chemist Warehouse.
Oh, very good.
Oh, look at that. A highly illegal U-turn.
Yeah, on the day where there's probably going to be...
Yep. Right. What are you doing? Oh, come on. And he's got learner plates on too. He didn't give way.
You fucking idiot!
There's one for you, Scotty.
What the hell was that?
Statistics, that's what you're saying.
Yeah, exactly. I think there is something around 12.
Just stand there. Oh, hello.
Hey guys.
Hey, just keep going.
Go! You, don't you dare down, you shit.
You saying you want a piece of me?
Don't you dare me down.